Good morning, student. Myself Umashankar Singh, science teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today, our topic is absorption in the small intestine. In previous classes, also discussed the windpipe, esophagus, a small intestine, respiration, food pipes, windpipes, and these process. Now today our topic is absorption in the small intestine. So first thing in our mind comes to what is absorption in the small intestine. So food is taken from mouth and large of enzymes inside the foods chew through the teeth and enter in the food pipes and goes inside the small intestine and large intestine and passes through the waste material, passes through the anus. So these food material absorb in the small intestine. That is the absorption of the food in vitamin and protein inside the small intestine. That is absorption in the small intestine. It is very complicated step. So absorption, the digested food can now pass into the blood vessels in the wall of intestine. The process is called absorption. This process is called absorption. That is absorption in the small intestine. So absorption, blood vessel in the wall, that is absorb the vitamin and protein inside the small intestine. That is complex step. And that is that absorption of through the connected through the blood vessels and absorb of complex things like vitamin, protein, minerals. That is the name of villi. That is say to finger likes. That is say to fingers likes. So these are the shape of these types. These types of villi are thousands of villi inside the food pipes or in the small intestine. That is food of our food. That is food, and that is a small intestine. That is say to villi. That is say to villi. So thousands of villi are situated in the small intestine and connected to the blood vessels and taken the digested food through the vitamin, proteins and minerals and supply into the blood vessels. The inner wall of the small intestine has thousands of finger-like outgrowth. These are called villi. These villi are absorb of vitamin and protein, minerals and passes through in the blood. Now again topic is assimilation. That is the absorption of protein because required of our body. These are also absorbed through the villi in the digested food to collect the villi of that protein inside the body provide of these things. That is the process name of assimilation. That is say to the assimilation means protein required by the body. That process comes to the villi, that is say to assimilation. Now next point is glucose breakdown. Absorb of that vitamin, protein and body, that is the form and break down into glucose. Glucose are accepted inside our body, that is breaks down in these part, that is the oxygen, carbon dioxide and water and energy. And these of glucose, that is glucose in the form of energy, that is taken, that is divided into oxygen, carbon dioxide, water and energy, and different parts are goes inside our body. That is the formation of glucose breakdowns. Now waste food material are passes from a small intestine to move inside the large intestine, and finally large intestine the dead food material and again passes through the anus. So these process of our small intestine absorption into the small intestine, that is the food absorption inside the small intestine. Okay, thank you.